In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Webex Meeting app in laptop. To get started, open any web browser on your laptop. You can use whichever browser you normally prefer, since the process will be very similar across all of them. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Webex, then press enter to search. From the search results, look for the official Webex website, which is Webex by Cisco, and click on it. It's important to use the official site so you can safely download the correct application for your device and avoid any unofficial download pages. Once you're on the Webex website, find the download button and click it. After that, click on Download Webex. The good thing here is that you usually don't need to spend time choosing a version manually, because Webex will automatically provide the latest version that matches your laptop. This helps make the installation smoother and ensures you're getting the most up-to-date release. After the file finishes downloading, locate the downloaded application on your laptop. In most cases, you can find it in your Downloads folder, or you may see it directly in your browser's download bar or download history. Click on the downloaded file to open it and begin the installation. From there, simply follow the default recommendations shown by the installer. For most users, the default options are the best choice, especially if you just want a quick and standard setup. Keep clicking through the installation prompts until the app is fully installed. Once the installation is complete, open Webex and either sign up for an account if you're new to the platform or sign in if you already have an account. After that, you'll be ready to start using Webex on your laptop for meetings, calls, and collaboration.